FJ!
Season 3!
We are
Aja!
Hello po, my name's Ash. I'm the leader, lead rapper, and the visual of the group.
Hello everyone, my name is JC and I'm the main dancer and the lead vocal of the group.
Hello everyone, my name is Axel. I'm the main vocal of the group.
Hello everyone, I'm Alex. I'm the main rapper and the lead dancer of the group.
Yeah!
So for today, we're gonna be meeting two Korean, a little chit chat.
As you can see, we're very, very excited to meet them.
Excited.
Yeah.
They're nervous as that.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
My birthday! Okay! Sino hindi nag-inform sa kanya? Na-blue tayo. Pero special. Pero backup dancer na kami. How to be a po? I cannot sleep tonight.
Why?
Why? You don't need to ask. Just look at your mirror. It's an honor for me to meet you. Don't forget
You can stream our MV on our YouTube channel at AjoFC Honey Music Video, and also you can stream our EP titled For You on all streaming platforms.
Aja Wedding!
Yeah!
FJ!
Season 3!
We are
Aja!
Merry Christmas, boys!
Yeah! Merry Christmas, honeys! Christmas. So ngayon, meron po tayong pajama Christmas party! Christmas party at ano bang gagawin natin ngayon?
Ano ba ang gawin natin sa Christmas party?
Magpa-party.
Yay! Bye guys! Ikaw yung game na namin! Bahay!
Bahay sabi niya.
Boracay sabi ko.
Ano sabi mo?
Bahay. Pagkakya! Yay! Pagkakya!
Ano yun?
Pagkakya!
Dapat yung pinako.
Christmas ball. Sinigang!
Ano sa'yo?
Bulalo.
Ah, sa'yo?
Sinigang.
Parehas tayo.
Last Christmas! Last Christmas! Last Christmas ako. Ay, last Christmas.
Ay, tanong.
Oh. Mag! Mag! Taka!
Ano sa'yo?
Bilang! Kaya! Kuya John! Kuya John, mamuhay ka!
Sila mo na. Kayo mo na. Kayo mo na. Kami na. Tama na.
Sabay-sabay! Ikaw nagsabi ng vision kanina.
Ay, labanan mo, labanan mo.
Oh! Hype! Ano, tinitingnan nyo kami? Woo!
Top class.
Hey!
Top class.
Hindi madam.
Kaya tayo dito.
Ang saya po.
Ang saya! Hindi kaya yung script. Grabe, nakakapagod. Yeah. Ano po yun? Ano yun?
Christmas tree.
Wow!
Wow!
Guys, hindi ko.
Christmas wish is that everyone will celebrate Christmas with happy smiles and be with their family together at maging masaya palagi at mas mag-grow pa ang
Ng quality time with family, friends. Yun po, tapos maging masaya lahat ng tao, this.
All good health. Yan. Ho, ho, ho.
Enjoy niyo po yung day nyo kasi meron pong break. I mean, holiday break. So, sana po makabanding nyo yung mga family nyo, friends.
Use your time wisely.
Sana masarap pagkain nyo.
Tama.
Sana bigyan nyo kami.
Sana bigyan nyo kami.
Stay warm since nga yun nga, malamig. So, huwag kayong magkasakit, guys.
ang wish ko sa Honeys ay
Message pala, message.
ang message to Honeys ay
Hi.
to spend a lot of time sa family niyo po.
Yes.
At maging happy always and stream EP titled for you.
Mag-stream daw kayo kahit break.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sana marami pa tayong taon na pagsasamahan. Alam mo yun, yung mga gano'n. Kasi tapos na yung 2023 niya.
2024 naman.
Oo, so sana sa 2024 magkasama tayo, hindi lang sa 2024 kundi sa mga susunod na 2000.
And more songs for Aja.
Yes, and more SZA Day.
Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope you liked our Christmas pajama party-ish video for today.
Yeah.
And I hope we all enjoy this Christmas season. Thank you so much, po, and
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!